Alright, what's going on YouTube? Yeah, this video is completely different than anything you've ever seen from me. It's a freaking FIFA video. Yeah, but I've been playing FIFA recently and shit is lit. I'm not gonna lie to you. This is honestly, I like this. I might like this better than 2K at the moment right now, but I'm playing this a lot and it's team of the year. So and I mean, you know, your boy broke, and but these players look lit as hell. So I think I want to open packs, and I want to record my reaction to opening packs. I don't think I'll get anything good. I mean, I once won an entire Madden without ever getting an elite in a pack. My pack luck is absolute garbage, but a nigga made a little bit of money, so I feel like I could open some packs. Why not treat myself? And I be getting smacked in this game, so team of the year. Okay, it looks like the entire team of the year is available. So let's see what the entire team of the year is available. I gotta buy packs. There's no choice. The whole thing. Let's see, what type of promos are there? Okay, rare mega, the biggest pack yet, with a whopping 30 items, all rare. 1,100 FIFA points. Shit. I'm really debating if I should. Fuck it, I'm gonna buy FIFA points. I have to. I almost didn't do this video for a second. We gonna go with how many FIFA points should I get? Should I get just this jumbo, or I gotta go with the rare mega? It's too much for me to pass up on, right? You know, I haven't been playing FIFA, so I don't know when they finessing me. I heard FIFA rewards people who spend money on the game, right? No? You ain't hear that? I didn't either. But hey, we'll see what we can get off of 1,600. That means we're guaranteed a rare mega pack with 30 items. I know this is a weak ass pack opening because most YouTubers open up like 100 packs. I'm not really a YouTuber, bro. I don't got YouTuber money. So, here we go. Rare mega. What we gonna get? Walkout? Please? What the fuck is that? An 82? Oh my god. An 82. Highest overall I got was 82. I just spent $15 to not even get over an 82 overall. I didn't even get higher than an 82. Don't buy packs, man. They just be taking your money, bro. Not even rewarding you at all. I got 500. I mean, okay. I could get another pack for real. 500, I only need 500, 600 more to get another pack. There's no way they would finesse me like that twice. There's no way they would finesse me like that twice. So, shit. We gonna try again. There's no way they would finesse me like that twice. That was my first time putting money in the game, so they're just gonna do that. So let's try this one more time and see what we can get. Woo! Please be a walkout. Please be something good. Not a walkout. And I don't even want to see it, man. At least be 84. At least we got an 84. I mean, damn. What do you have to do to get someone good in this game? Damn, I'm sorry. Man, fuck. Let's get rid of this nigga. They're telling me shit. Fuck. I spent like $20, $25 now. And I haven't gotten shit. Fuck it, I already spent money. I might as well just... I need $250 more to get another pack. That good one. So fuck it. I might as well just put that shit in it. Fuck it. I might as well buy another pack, bro. Because they already taking my money. Why not take it all, bro? $250? This is my last one. On everything, this is my last one, bro. On everything, this is my last one. I can't do this shit no more. Spending money, this is such a waste of money, bro. Oh, fuck. Let's see if they finesse me again. Oh, here we go. I'm gonna put my controller down. What is that? Oh my fucking gosh. Oh my god. 94 Timothy. Oh. Oh my fucking god. Oh my. Oh my god, bro. Oh my fucking goodness. Bro, 94 PK. Bro, God. I don't even know what to say, man. God is real. All you non-believers out there, God is real. This is proof that God is real. This is the best. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go, man. How much is this man worth? And we got an 84 too? Oh my god, bruh. Oh my god. We opened 3 packs and got Team of the Year. I don't know how to say his name. PK. How much is he worth? Quick sell for 75K, bruh. How much is he worth? 500, 1 mil. Okay, it looks like he's worth about 500,000. I can't fucking believe it. I cannot fucking believe it. I cannot fucking believe it. Shit like this doesn't happen to people like me, man. Oh my god. Oh my god, bruh. Oh my fucking god. I'm gonna end the video right there. Oh my god. FIFA, I know what you're doing to me, bruh. Y'all gonna make me feel good and I'm gonna put more money in this game and I don't give a fuck, bruh. Holy shit, man. Holy shit. So I got a choice. Do I want to make this nigga just have a 94 ass nigga on my team or sell him and have a great ass team? I'm probably gonna end up selling him, but I don't know. Maybe the people watching this isn't a big deal, but shit like this don't happen to people like me, man. Team of the Year. FIFA, I love you. Now I'm really about to start playing this shit. Oh. I'm just gonna end the video here, man, because I don't know what else. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. I I love you if you watch my videos because I just love you. I love FIFA, I love EA, I love everybody, man. I don't know why people be talking about the packs in this game like they shitty, bro. They real. That shit is real. I just gotta end the video because I'm so fucking lost for words. If you want to see FIFA videos, subscribe, drop a like, tell me, and I'll make FIFA videos because I'm more motivated than ever to do it now because now this game is real. This game wanted me to start YouTubing FIFA. Whew, first video I ever did on FIFA, bruh. So drop a like, subscribe, and then I can be a YouTuber for real because you know YouTubers, they be having that dumb luck on packs. So, subscribe, bruh. It's lit. It's lit, bruh. It's fucking lit. Let's go.